Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the Gandhi Ji के सपनों का भारत the India quiz and thank you Interact, thank you Rotary and thank you all the 397 participants. So here you go. Here's the answer of the quiz. Basically, we won't take much of time for this. So those who directly jumped here, you can watch the question video. So the link of the question video is in the description. Then come back to this answer part, so you can attempt there also. So here we go. Question 1. So question number 1, we were talking about which book Gandhi wrote, like this. Since this was the first question of this quiz and the name of the quiz is Gandhi Ji ke Sapno Ka Bharat, so think on that line and you will get the points for India of my dreams. Sapno Mere Sapno Ka Bharat will fetch you full points. Mere Sapno Ka Bharat and India of my freedom, full 10 points. Moving on to next question. Question 2, we are looking for this mascot. So mascot of which IPL team? So the answer is Rajasthan Royals. Easy one. IPL is coming. Current affairs. Moving on to next question. So we are talking about the hill where this particular Shakti Peeth is located. So this Shakti Peeth is Kamakhya, and the answer would be, the name of the hill would be Neelachal Hills. Moving on to next question. Question 4, easy one. We hear, on what specific date of 2014 was Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched? Since you can see Mahatma Gandhi there, also in the logo there is one detailing there, so this would be 2nd October. So this campaign official name is in Hindi, which basically means Clean India Mission, and the campaign was officially launched on 2nd October 2014. So moving on to question number 5, easy one, current affairs. Simply expand VI. So brand entity VI, the tagline is Together for Tomorrow. So the answer is Vodafone India. So Together for Tomorrow, VI, giveaway hints. Moving on to question number 6, we heard an audio for this question. So the question was, the general plot of this particular the general plot and the number of characters are based on the two classic Hollywood films, Brief Encounter and The Apartment. So we are looking for the name of the movie, and the song was from the same movie as well. So that was a giveaway question. So the answer is Life in a Metro. Moving on to next question, question number 7. So what is happening? Easy one. What is happening here? So so as I said, 1960s and Lata Mangeshkar. So what else? So this was about the song. First performed the song was first performed live in by Lata Mangeshkar on 26 January 1963. So this particular song is "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." So "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" is what we are looking for. Moving on to question number 8. So simply, Bharat Ki Khoj is 53 episode Indian historical drama based on the book Discovery of India. So who is the author of the Discovery of India was the question. So who is the author of the Discovery of India? So this is the very first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is good enough. Moving on to question number 9. So connect. So we had 8 dance forms, simple one. So what were we looking for? So these were basically Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Kshatriya, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, and these are the classical dance recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Easy one. Question number 10. So name the 2 awards. So we are looking for the 2 awards. So first one is given to the sports person and second one is given to the coaches of the sports person. So first one is Arjuna Award and second one is Dronacharya Award, and the clue was given that both the award are named after the mythological characters. Moving on to question number 11, identify both or what we better know by their names. So as I said, they are non-Indians. They were not from India, so that was a hint basically, and something from the Indian history is what I said. So the answer is, so one is Cyril Radcliffe and the other one is Henry McMahon. So Radcliffe line and McMahon line is named after them. So Radcliffe line and McMahon line are named after them. As simple as that. Moving on to question number 12. We heard a audio here. So basically we saw a video there, so we are asking for the fill in the blanks. So the film is about the life of four employed educated youth from lower middle class families of Tinsukia. Simply from this particular movie which the song was played, uh, the Manav character was played by whom? So this is the singer himself, Jubin Garg. So the song was Monjai and the answer is Jubin Garg. Moving on to question number 13. So simple one. This is Hari Mandir in Gujarat in a particular place which is often regarded as a birthplace of Dash and Sudama. Fill in the blanks with someone who was born in 1869 and name the place. So on 2nd October 1869, who was born, and think the theme of the festival, Gandhi's wisdom. So the answer would be Mahatma Gandhi and the place would be Porbandar. So Mahatma Gandhi, Porbandar, good enough. Moving on to question number 14. So who along with Nanaji Deshmukh and Bhupen Hazarika was awarded the prestigious Bharat Ratna in 2019? So since I said current affairs, since I said former president of India, so that was a giveaway hint. So current affairs was a giveaway hint, and it was a dedicated question to our late Pranab Mukherjee. So he died recently, so it was a dedicated question to him. Moving on to next question. Question number 15. So we are looking for one particular art form which is practiced in the Mithila region of India. So this form of art is a style of Indian painting. So we are the painting is done with all natural things. No artificial things are done, and it is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns. So simply name the art form which is practiced in Mithila region, known worldwide. So the answer would be Madhubani. So Madhubani is what we are looking for. Moving on to question number 16. So against which country Sachin Tendulkar hit the 100th century? So against which country Sachin Tendulkar hit his 100th century is what we are looking for. Easy one. A much awaited feat, and finally completed against which team? So this is Bangladesh. Moving on to next question, question number 17. So we are looking for the person in left. Identify the person in left which was played by the person in right in her autobiographical film which was released recently. Simply name the person in left. So the answer is Shakuntala Devi and Vidya Balan. So Vidya Balan played Shakuntala Devi in the autobiographical movie of Shakuntala Devi. So he is also known as human computer, and the clue was also given that you can literally calculate the answer. Moving on to question number 18. So we are looking for so Mahadev Desai, apart from his writings and translation, how is he best known or how he is best remembered in history, somehow related to Mahatma Gandhi apart from his English translation of the biography. So simply apart from that, how is he best remembered for in the Indian history? So this is personal secretary of Mahatma Gandhi. So personal secretary of Mahatma Gandhi is good enough. Moving on to question number 19. So for this question, we are looking for the name of the two movie A and B. So these are the lines that are taken from somewhere. So that was a giveaway hint that these are some laws or rules or act, or you can say section or article. So in that way, if you see, the first one is a particular article and second one is a particular section, and after which the name of the movies are also named and with the similar story, similar background story. So the answer would be article 15 for A and B section 375. The vice versa won't do. For example, if you wrote A for section 375 and B for article 15, that won't do. So you have to specify article 15 for A and section 375 for B. So moving on to next question, question 20. So from the these are the last this is the last question for the 10 marks question. So from now onward, after this question, the 20 marks question will start. So in this question, we are looking for the person who is known in a totally different way and also a news reporter at Daksh Police Times, and he also runs NGO in Mumbai called Aditya Yuva Pratishthan. He is the founder and president of the NGO. So who am I looking for? So this is Vikas Phatak, and he is known as Hindustani Bhav. So he needs no introduction. So Hindustani Bhav or Vikas Phatak, good enough. So from now onward, 2 marks question to 20 marks question will start. So which had more than one part answers for them, and that will fetch 20 points for full correct answer. So question number 21, we are looking for a particular city and the name of the person. As there was a clear mention that he was an architect of a city which is the capital of 2 states. So the state would be Haryana and Punjab, and their capital is Chandigarh, and he is the architect of Chandigarh, and the person is Le Corbusier. Moving on to question number 22, we listened to one particular video. We saw one video. So born and raised in Michigan. So identify this person in the photo. So, and how can you connect this person who is backed by a band called Thataiya when she performs on stage? So how you can connect her with a person who is backed by a band called Thataiya when she performs on stage. So the person who is backed by the band Thataiya is Falguni Pathak, and how can you connect her with the person in the photo? So the person in the photo is Madonna, and the person in the question being Falguni Pathak, and she is known as the Indian Madonna is what we are looking for. So Madonna, Falguni Pathak and Indian Madonna will fetch you full 20 points. Not mentioning Madonna, so not mentioning Madonna will fetch you 10 points only. So Madonna 10 points, Falguni Pathak and Indian Madonna together in a fund as a funda would fetch you 10 another point. So 10 plus 10, 20 points. Moving to question number 23. So identify him, the person who is nicknamed as the Prince of India, the Golden Boy, and the Prince of Pune. So, and which sport is being talked about? So in the question we had, in the image section we had for as a clue Pankaj Tripathi and L.K. Advani. So from Pankaj Tripathi we can take Pankaj, and from L.K. Advani taking Advani we get Pankaj Advani, and the game being billiards. As a clue the image was given. So Pankaj Advani and billiards is good enough for 20 points. So 10 plus 10. Moving on to next question, question number 24. So the logo takes its inspiration from the mythological concept. This particular entity was launched in 2014. Identify the logo and what is the mythological concept referred here. And the clue given was a particular 16-year-old mythological character that's reason was this particular concept. So this concept, from this concept, this particular logo was inspired. Since you can see some view there, so it would be, the mythological concept would be Chakravyu, then 16-year-old mythological character would be Abhimanyu, and the logo would be Pro Kabaddi. So Pro Kabaddi 10 points, mythological concept or Chakravyu 10 points. So Chakravyu 10 points and Pro Kabaddi 10 points. So moving on to the last question of the quiz before giving out the answer of this question. Thank you for watching the whole video. Thank you for participating in this quiz. Thank you to all the organizing teams, and all the best to the finalist, and the result will be released as soon as possible. So as the question asks, so if you are traveling from Charan Singh Airport to Rajiv Gandhi Airport, then from which city to which city are you traveling? So 1 plus 10 plus 10. So from which city to which city are you traveling if you are traveling from Charan Singh Airport to Rajiv Gandhi Airport? So this is Lucknow to Hyderabad. Charan Singh International Airport is in Lucknow and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is in Hyderabad. So that's all from the Gandhi Ji Ke Sapno Ka Bharat. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe the channel and hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.